Welcome to Meditation 3 of the Awakening Mindset series. So, I'm going to help you connect with your subconscious mind to awaken life-changing insights from within by focusing today on the power of devotion, which can feel like a strange word, can't it? But I promise you, it could be quite revealing. So let's arrive with an open mind. And as Robert Sharman says, being productive of your craft is important. Being productive in your devotion to growing as a human is essential. So let's begin. Take a nice big deep breath. Allow your eyes to close. And with each out breath, begin to relax your facial muscles, your jaw, your neck and shoulders, as each out breath is an invitation to let go. Let go of your thoughts, your worries, tension, tightness. And now breathe out gently and quietly inside your mind the word devotion for the next 5 out breaths. And then focusing on the word devotion, just allow your mind to bring to the surface from the depths of your subconscious all thoughts and actions associated with devotion. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the word devotion and allow those thoughts to rise to the surface. And then when you're ready, give yourself a wonderful inner smile, sense of gratitude for doing this work today. And then come back to your surroundings. And I wonder what insights came up for you. What thoughts, inspiration about what you can do today to bring more devotion into your life, to a purpose, your family, yourself, or something else. Thank you for doing the work with me today. And I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, present, and devoted day.